Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can ship a package on Fedex. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So in order to ship a package on Fedex, you must go through the guidelines of shipment. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.fedex.com, and I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site, and on this interface you'll be able to see all of these basic necessities. First thing, while you're trying to ship a package, you must make sure that your shipment is based on the destination. On the step number 2, you must ensure that the items can be shipped. Once you've packed it, next you need to determine which shipping service is best for your needs. After that, you need to create a shopping label. After that, you need to choose additional delivery option and special service if needed. And on the step number 7, you need to print and attach a FedEx label. And once you've done this, you need to get the package to the FedEx service point. After that, your package will be shipped. Once you're on this page, you need to click on this link that is ship now. Just click on it. Then after you click on the link, you'll be taken to the shipment page where you'll need to provide all of these information. Now, these are all the necessary information that you're providing while you're shipping a package. Now you need to enter in all of these necessary information. After you enter in all of your information, click on continue. And after that, you need to give out more additional information and you need to go through all of these process. Only after doing this, your package will be shipped. So this way you can ship a package on Fedex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.